Hi, if you're new here, my name is Eliza and I'm based from the country where it's always sunny, the Philippines. I'm currently romanticizing my 20s and on today's episode of my life, I'm showing a glimpse of my weekly life as a freelance events model and host here in the Philippines. Once again, my name is Eliza, your host. Mag-aayos muna tayo. Hi guys, good morning. It's a Tuesday right now. We're currently going to Silang Cavite. Dapat 1 o'clock start na nung event. Tapos ngayon, it's currently 12:37. Hindi rin talaga namin kabisado kung saan yung pupuntahan. So sinusundan lang namin yung Google Maps. Taray! Hi! Eto, we are 4 minutes away na lang. Kanina para kami nasa movie. So kung meron man title yung movie na yun, ang pangalan nun, Darakitera. So ganito yung nangyayari. May nagtatali, may nag-makeup, may nagbibihis, may nagdadrive. Girl power tayo dito guys, since it's Women's Month. But anyway, we're gonna take you with us dito sa work natin today. Mabilis lang naman yung work. It's gonna be a 4-hour event. Awarding lang siya. So yeah, let's go! It's already 6:20 p.m. and natapos our year! And with OTP! Let's go! Fighting! Let's go! Fighting!
Kaya pa?
Kaya pa?
Yes!
Sige mag-say ka dito.
Alam mo talaga nanganganak eh. Oh.
Pag ako nanganak talaga.
Yung pain tolerance kasi niya 11. Huh? Ano yung nag-milk
Sorry ate.
Grabe na yan.
A few moments later.
A new era of elegance is on its way, so come with me for a pamper day at Arella Aesthetics. They are located at 2nd floor ITC Complex, Timog Corner, Panay Avenue, Quezon City, and they are open daily from 12 noon to 9 p.m. Upon entering, you will be greeted and accommodated by their kind and well-trained staff, plus the overall interior and ambience of the place is just wow. So, since summer is fast approaching, I've tried their Angel White Laser for extra TLC on my knees, elbows, underarms, and other areas. Not gonna lie, it stings a little in my under eyes, but of course, it is tolerable. And after just one session, it definitely lightened and smoothened all the targeted skin areas. So, if you're also interested in trying their Angel White Laser, drop by Arella Aesthetics now. Hi, good morning. So we are currently here in Santa Elena Golf Club. Dito siya sa May Laguna. And time check, it's already 5:12 a.m. So super aga, ang aga ng call time namin. Sabi daw, alis daw kami ng 3:45 a.m. Tapos wala pa tayong tulog since last night. Pero ilalaban na natin to. Since last year. And hi, so siya ang ating handler for today. Hi, Hannah. Hi, Princess. Hi, mga babes sa likod. Ayan, so we're currently preparing dahil magsa-start na kami. Ayan, so nakapagbihis na tayo. So as you can see, this is the current brand we are working for. So, Mercedes. Mag-aayos muna tayo kasi hindi pa tayo fully done.
Tawa ka dun sa isang vlog mo. Nasa Vietnam ka.
Ingay ko yun, no?
Ingay mo, binabago ko sa TV pa ako.
Alam mo, naglalagay nga ako ng disclaimer. Sabi ko, pakinaan na po yung volume. Hi guys! So we are finally back dito sa holding area or dito sa dressing room ng Santa Elena Golf and Country Estate. And currently, time check, it's already 2:30 p.m. Nagpe-prepare na kami for awarding. So, technically, medyo mahaba yung oras kasi sa events talaga iba-iba. Minsan, maiksi lang yung time. Minsan, mahaba like today. Super dami din naming idle time or yung parang petics lang. So, kanina, story time lang. 5 a.m. ang call time dito. Nag-prepare na agad kami. Tapos, nagbihis na kami nung top. And then, 6 a.m. nakatayo na agad kami dun sa labas wearing our khaki pants, white shoes, and then white top with white cap. So, ito yung white cap from Mercedes. Now, I think the program will be starting by 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. and then uwian na tayo. So, ang outfit natin for today, iba-iba kami, cocktail dress down na black and then black heels. That's what we're wearing. And as you can see, ang aking napakagandang friend, she's already here at the back. Hi! Ganda! Parang mga may matulog. Tapos naka-red lipstick. O, pa, katingin ng outfit. Outfit check! Tingin ng hair? Tingin ng hair? Boogs!
Boogs! Ikaw din, yung boogs mo. Oh, patingin.
I think malapit na din matapos yung iba. We'll be starting na din. Siguro, I'll see you again na lang after na lang ng awarding. Bye!
See you!
See you! Yay! We're finally done! Time check. Ano oras check? It's 5:04. Hi! Ito, muntik na to tumagos sa pader, guys. Alam nyo ba, kagabi meron siyang work sa Apple to Apple. Tapos, hanggang, anong oras yung work mo, babe?
2 a.m.
Hanggang 2 a.m. Tapos, ang call time namin, 3 a.m. Tapos, pagkatapos ng work namin ngayon, may work ulit siya sa Apple to Apple. Oh my God, girl! Okay ka pa ba?
Sana nakikita niyo pa ako sa mga panahon.
Anyway, ayan, kita nyo naman napakasipag ng mga rakitera.
Yes.
Hi, sir! Thank you for the work today! Thank you po! Coffee muna while at the rehearsal. Magandang models to. Thank you, Direk!
Grass na lang sa taas para may weight. Switch. And exit. Enter.
Resting time kami. Yan, nagbubulahan. Girls with their compliments. Ang kapal ng ulo mo.
Kapal ng ulo mo. Kamali kasi ako ng isang beses kasi na yung order na siya. So for our hair and makeup artist day, it's JC Carehan Green. Hello po. Hello. Hi guys. Fitting. Let's go. Let's go.
guys! Welcome to Eliza's vlog!
Vlog invade. Look at that baby bangs. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my guys.
Kinakabahan na din yung isa. Lumabas ng ganun na lang.
Okay na yan. Diyan mo papatunayan kung talagang gwapo ka.
Time check is already 5:11 p.m. and maglalakad daw kami ng 5:30. Kasi Chan di pa nakakaayos. So medyo time constraints kami pastor.
Yes, ano masasabi mo? Speechless na. Nangangarap na. The details. Wow. And the feet. Oops!
Ay na, final look. Final look. Or with the reveal. Oh, reveal naman. Reveal! Wow! Boom! Hi! Ito. Sino to?
Nung magpa-shout out.
Shout out, go! Shout out.
Shout out po kay Eliza B.
Kahit ako yun, shout out.
Shout out po sa pamilya ko.
Tingin naman, Lupin! Lupin! Lupin pala. Lupin!
So that's it for today's vlog. Bye-bye!
Boshi! Kasi tapos na yung work natin. I think uwi na si Mika. Kasi may work pa siya. Alam mo naman, in demand. Yes! Basta ko, day off ko tomorrow. Pero sa isang araw, meron tayong posting. Waiting for Mika's uncle. Angkas tara na! Angkas tara na! Angkas tara na! Here in Uptown Mall. So, kanina, di ba, kumain ako mag-isa sa Marugame kasi inaantay ko siya. She's finally here. So, we both came from work. Parehong fashion show. Galing siya Intramuros. Kami naman ay Chan. Dito lang din sa Taguig. Hi guys! I just came back from SM kasi nag-malling kami ni Chan kanina. Nagpasama ako sa kanya na bumili ng mga stuff for Leo. Leo, say hi to the vlog! Hi! Hi! Hi guys! So we have finally arrived here in El Circulo Restaurant. Dito siya sa may Makati and dito yung venue natin for tonight's hosting gig. I came early rin today. I try my best to always come early, especially when it's a hosting gig kasi I have to prepare the script and kailangan medyo may knowledge ako on whatever the brand is about and kailangan ko muna syempre kausapin din yung production kung ano yung parang expectations nila from the host. So for tonight, aside from being host, I'm also going to be a facilitator. So yeah, wish me luck guys!
Welcome to the Lenovo Leader Circle. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Eliza and I'll be your host for this evening. It is a privilege to have such an esteemed group of executives with us tonight, and this exclusive gathering is designed to foster meaningful conversations, share strategic insights, and explore the future of technology-driven business transformation. Thank you so much, Mr. Raymond. And as he has mentioned, we are going to have a compelling session on the CIO Playbook 2025. And joining us tonight is the Solutions Consultant of Lenovo Philippines, Mr. Mooney Hermoso. So there you have it. Thank you so much, Sir Mooney, for sharing those valuable insights. On behalf of Lenovo, thank you once again for joining us at the Lenovo Leaders Circle. Once again, my name is Eliza, your host, and we look forward to many more conversations and collaborations in the future. Enjoy the rest of the evening. The QR code right here wherein you can scan.
I'm already done hosting and nandito na tayo sa favorite part ko every time na nag-host ako. That is, kakain na tayo. So we've got here slow roasted US beef belly, and then Callos madrileña, lechon, ensalada de gorgonzola, calamares fritos, social calamares fritos, and then paella, circolo, and paella negra. There you go! Good morning! We finally arrived here in AC Mobility Hub. Actually, dito yung training namin today and it's currently 10 minutes before 8 a.m. And sobrang aga ko. Ako pa lang yung unang nandito. Tsaka si ate nagsiset up for presentation. Hi ate, good morning po. Inoferan ako ni ate ng kape. Mukhang mapaparami tayo ng kape today. Kasi mahaba-haba yung training natin. While waiting for the others, makakape. Ooh, ang ganda ng ate ko. Fuck, fresh. So, I've borrowed a beach dress from Ate Jaja and then it came with these freebies. So, thank you so much Ate Jaja for sending these over. Thank you! Hi guys! So we are currently here in Tagaytay for
Erica and Harold's wedding.
Yes.
So when I was in Singapore a long time ago. Once
Parang sobrang tagal. Parang wala pang 2 years ago yun.
So friend ko sila doon.
Tapos di ba meron kayong ano dun, B? Meron kayong alaga ni Harold.
Oo, may
Ano
alaga
pangalan?
si Harold. Harold and Christian Scott. Na ninakaw ng kapitbahay nila. Lolo yung kapitbahay.
Ganun yung level ng friendship nila dun sa Singapore. May pusa na agad sila, ganung level. Love na love siya ni Harold, guys. We'll update you with what's going to happen today. Pero apparently, wala kami masyadong tulog. Nag-work kasi kami together last night. Hindi namin pwede disclose yung brand. Lang sa Hydro, tsaka sa Tipsy Pig. Yun na lang, guys. Dun kami nag-work kagabi. Update na lang kami later. Bye!
line of pronouncing man and wife. Harold, you may now kiss your wife. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal. Masyado po bang mabilis? And I think you want more, eh? Harold, make it last. Go ahead, everyone. Palakpakan po ulit natin si Harold at si Erica.
Hi! So, kakatapos lang ng wedding ceremony ni Erica at ni Harold. So yun, we're just currently waiting for Chan. Tapos, makain na rin tayo in a bit. Wala, inubos mo na yan. Wala na, inubos mo na yung mga pagkain nila. Ang ganda ng grazing dito kanina, tapos nakalbo na. Pero so far, pinaka nagustuhan ko ito. Parang siyang creme brulee na cheesecake daw. Solid. It's from Lulubon Grazing. And then, for the coffee, naubos na rin yung iced coffee. Puro kain, kain ng kain.
No, bakit di kita nabigyan kanina?
Hindi ako kumain guys, masyado.
Inubos mo daw, kuya. Nakikita ko sa malayo.
Nom. Yung totoo talaga guys, ako yung umubos ng kalahati ng cheese stick nila dito sa Norley Streets. Shush! Tapos, we're currently waiting doon para magpa-picture din kami dyan mamaya.
Ganda naman. Last post ko, any post ma'am.
This one is cute. It's a cutie. He a cutie. Can I see my cutie? He's a cutie.
Hi guys, nakita ko yung lechon. Nakalabas yung buntot. No? Yung lechon, so isilip.
Nakakainis yung mga napapansin mo eh, no?
Actually, ang ganda ng wedding na to.
Oo.
Marami na ako napunta ang wedding. Ito yung...
Pinakamarami pagkain.
Oo, dahil pagkain. May orbits. Tapos may inihaw, may kwek-kwek.
May pabango.
Oh, so far, 9 out of 10.
Bakit hindi 10 out of 10?
Okay, para sa amin yung 10.
Ah!